Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how we can export the attendance list of participants who are attending our meeting. This is especially important when you are taking a class and you want to know, you want to retrieve the list of all the active participants in your meeting. So we are going to go to the demo class option, and this is a demo class which I have prepared so that I could explain certain things. And now I'm just going to start an instant meeting from the Meet Now option over here. I'll just quickly add a subject to it, just a meeting, and I'll click on Meet Now option. With this you'll be able to see that my meeting has started, and now I'll try to join someone else on my through my mobile device. So now that we have multiple participants in our meeting, we can easily figure out who has joined our meeting or not. So I'm going to tell you how we can actually download the list of those attendees. So you can see this particular download symbol over here. Just click on it and you will see that the list of attendees has been downloaded. Click on the folder and you can see that it is saved as a CSV file. It can open with your spreadsheet software, that is usually your Excel, and here you can see the list of participants who joined you. So this way you can keep track of the number of participants who have joined the meeting.
Can anybody out there hear me?